I got one!
Ah! Malaki din yung nakuha ni Kuya.
Wow, I got it!
Yes! I got it, Coach.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Malaki!
Alright, so it's literally raining so intensely, but I'm taking you guys with me, and we're going up. This is my uncle's farm. He like raises fish up here somewhere. So we're gonna go take a look at him. And no one else wanted to go except for me, my mom, and my aunt. So I'm taking you guys with me so you guys can see how cool this is. This is like the jungle, you guys. I feel like I'm in the Amazon. Auntie!
Yeah,
Say hi.
we're going somewhere out there.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Kuya, it's very slippery. Where is Tita Wards?
He didn't come, he went back.
He didn't come? Why is it that he didn't come?
He's scared. Alright, I had to put you guys away for a second because it was getting really slippery. But check this out down here. Look at that. Oh, it is really muddy. I'm coming. Oh, are those ducks? Ah, the ducks! I have to see them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Kuya. Oh, look at that, Kuya.
Auntie, I want them to run to me.
What? Look at the duck.
Look at those little duckies.
Oh, look at that, oh. Kuya, oh. Magkakasama.
Alright, I had to take some pictures of the ducks, but we're almost there. There's a little...
Walk at the middle, Kuya.
Auntie, are you gonna walk on that bridge?
Oh my God.
Mom, you walked on that bridge? You didn't even take a picture.
Kuya.
Sa gitna lang. Tatabi. Dandan, diba? Nino.
Gusto lang magparaan. Ay, mabundong ko lang ako.
Yakiban.
That bridge was intense. Goats! I can hear them. It's like Jurassic Park. They're gonna feed it to the. They're gonna feed it to the T-Rex. We made it to the lake of fishies.
We did it. We did it, Kuya. Ano? Nawala na daan ang mga ano. Waya na ang...
Mom, you made it to the fish.
Waya na ang mga isda.
The fish are hiding.
They are hiding because they already know. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Lagyan mo.
Oh!
Oh,
You caught one in like a second.
Oh, dali na.
No, Mom, it's okay.
Ayaw mo, takot ka. Yun namang ano nga hawakan mo yung...
The ano?
Ano? meat.
Whoa.
Kuya, I will try.
Hold on, Muj. Hold that. It's recording right now.
Recording.
Magkano kayo
I
dito?
will put this my bag in.
Magkano pa kayo?
Uy!
Mababasa.
Hold the umbrella.
Lada pa?
If you're gonna hold the umbrella, you have to hold, or the camera, hold the umbrella.
Bahugin mo dyan dito. Dito lang buksan malapit. Para hindi na yung maliliit.
Uy, maanohan mo yung mata nung... Oh, kuya.
Go, uy!
Isang araw naman yung mga pamangkin ini Uyan digdi.
Oh, you got a baby!
You have a baby one.
You got a baby!
You have to put that back.
Maliit yan, bitawan mo yan.
Yes, you have to put it back. Ah. Ay, ang galing ni Joey ah.
Ang galing.
Ay, maganda pati itong tilapiyang ito, yung maputi.
Masarap ito sinasabawan.
Oo, maganda din yung steam.
Nagsabaw nga dito sila nung isang araw. Lagyan lang ng ni Eric, ng tanlad.
Ah! Ang liit! It's the same one!
Oh! Ang laki! It's a little one, come back. Oh my gosh! Ubus na yata ah! Oh, kuya! Meron na naman ako, kuya! Oh! Deng, kuya, akong picture! Oo nga, o yan, Deng, oh! Oh! Yeah, you're on video, coach.
Parehas ang size na huli mo.
Oo nga eh.
Yung mga yung malalaki ay ano na
Nasaan ba napupunta yung malaking?
Nandiyan, nakapag-aral na.
Alam na nila. Ah! Malaki din yung nakuha ni Kuya.
Wow, I got it!
Yes! I got it, coach.
Oh my god.
Oh! Ah, dang! Malaki. Ayan.
Auntie!
Ayan.
Ang laki na sa akin, oh.
Oh.
Take a picture.
Yes, I did.
Press the button like take a picture.
Ah! Meron na naman ulit si Kuya.
I got one.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Are you
Yes,
videoing?
yes, video,
Oh.
video.
Mom, I cannot take the fish off. Yeah.
Okay.
Mom's trying to fish now. Come on, Mom. Get one, Mom. Don't fall in, Mom.
Ay, patay.
Mitch. Auntie, it's starting to rain. Alright, we're walking back still. We caught 13 fish. And now we're gonna go cook them and eat them. Here we are at that scary bridge. Whoa! Okay, I didn't even step on the bridge and I'm already falling off of it. Oh my god! This bridge though, we made it! Dip yourself in the flowing water.
At wala ka diyang ano, flow.
Yeah. We're going deep into the Amazon.
Ay, kuya, ang ganda ng tubig. Ang ganda, oh.
Wow, Auntie!
Oh, ang ganda. Kuya.
Just where they do the laundry and wash their feet is really nice.
Yep.
This is the opposite of California. We have no water.
Ako makababa din.
Huh?
Ay,
Not deep.
ay, ang ganda, oh. Wow, kuya.
I'm just cleaning my feet.
Cleaning. The legs, also the leg up.
We're just like standing in the water.
Kuya.
Auntie, clean my leg, clean the back.
I will clean the back of your leg. Yeah, ang ganda ng tubig.
Thank you.
Ako si Kuya. Ako nagpunan sa
Yes! Check it out. It's a carabao. These are the fish that we caught, and now we are cooking them. What's up YouTube? So I'm gonna call this the end of the vlog for today. I had so much fun going to my uncle's farm and then checking out the fish and catching fish and then cooking the fish and then eating the fish. It was so delicious, so much fun. Sorry about the sporadic posting. The internet is a little slow down here. We're in a little more of a rural area and it takes me about 5 to 6 hours to load up a video, so bear with me. I'm actually working on a video right now, so that should be up for you guys tomorrow, and you'll probably see this video in a few days as well. But I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are liking the videos. If you guys are, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below. And I feel like I got sunburnt. But what was I gonna say? But yeah, my posting might still be a little sporadic for the rest of the week because we're still gonna be here. So definitely subscribe if you guys wanna follow along, and you'll be updated every time I post a video. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye. Is the bag. It is looking gorgeous. You can see that almost all those marks are gone. Check out this corner. It was like so horrible before. I'll insert a video as well of some close-ups of how the bag looks now, but it is looking gorgeous. Now there are some superficial scratches that are more than superficial that actually scraped off the top layer of the paint, and that's why there are some spots on there that appear a little bit darker than the gray of the bag, and that's because the